Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a special installation on this 2020 4Runner TRD Pro. So let's get to it. I'm doing LEDs on this 2020 4Runner TRD Pro. I think this one has some LEDs already, but we're gonna put the best thing. These H11s specifically designed for the 4Runner, high beams and turn signals. Switchbacks on the turn signal, so we're gonna change all this. I'm gonna turn the lights on to see what they have. I think they already have LEDs, but we're gonna put something better. Yep, it already has LEDs, but I don't know what kind of brand, but the ones that I have in here, they're way better. And plus we're gonna do switchbacks, so everything's gonna look white, and when I'm using the turn signal, this one is gonna switch. Installation is super easy. Everything is down there. We don't have to do much. We don't have to remove the headlight. We just gotta go reach and replace these LEDs and put new ones from Lasfit. To get to the bulbs, right here, we don't have to do much. Plus this thing is loose. We gotta twist and remove. Same thing with the low beam. We remove the covers. Kind of stuck. We're replacing these covers, by the way. I'm gonna put new ones. And same thing with the bulb. Bulb is right there. Twist and remove. I don't know what kind of brand. Oh yeah, I see the brand already on these ones too. So let's swap these for the Lasfit. To get to the turn signal, you just have to remove 3 bolts, 10 millimeters, and you will see in there the plug for the turn signal. Same thing, just reach in there, twist it and unplug it. You can see bulb is right there. So let's swap those first and then we do the high and low beams. The good thing about these switchbacks on the turn signals, they're not gonna get hot better than last series. This series is not gonna go hyper flash, and material is very good material quality on this, and they last forever. I know because I have them on my RAV4 and on my new Altima. So this is the way to go when you try to go to LEDs, especially for turn signals. And this one, because they're switchbacks, they're gonna look really good. Bulb is in there. I just gotta go and reach, put the bulb, twist it and lock it in place. Now for these LEDs, this is the best of the best. You're gonna have stickers, a little Allen key, instructions, and the LEDs. Look at this. With this type of fan, they're gonna run much cooler, they're gonna last a lot longer. Plus this design where you put a new cap replacing that one, it has a connector. This connects to the original and you just plug in the light, twist it, lock it in place, and way better than what they have. They have some LEDs in there already, but this system way better. This is the 9005 high beam. It's already been plugged in. We just got to put it on. You can see right here. Make sure the LEDs are facing side to side. Lock it in place. I don't know if you can see right there, but the LEDs are facing to the sides, and that's the way it's supposed to go. Same thing when you put this one, but let me show you how easy it is to put it on before I do anything else. You just gotta, like I said, plug it in, put the LED, lock it in place, and put the cap, the new cap on it. I think you're gonna see it better on the passenger side because I don't have the battery on my way. Make sure that this connector is all the way in. Now the light is connected. I put it on, twisted, lock it in place. Now the plug is connected. We just put everything inside next to the light. And definitely with this type of fan, you need to run this because this cup is larger than the original one, so you're gonna have more room. Once you put everything, you just gotta find the spot so you can twist it and lock it in place. You can see right there, once it's seated, just twist it. Now it's in place. Now let's put the high beam and installation should be complete. Look at this light, super bright. Now we have that switch back in and high beam is working. Now this one is not on, so we have to unplug it, twist the plug, plug it back in, and it's gonna work. Everything is working. I haven't replaced this turn signal so you can see it. That's the original. All that is Lasfit. And here we have the switchback. Awesome. So now we have LEDs, super bright. They look better than what they have in there before. And they're gonna be a little bit louder, but because I removed the cap in here just to flip the connector, it's kind of loud. But you can see these ones, because they're running the fan, it has a little ventilation, so all the heat is not gonna stay inside. All the heat is gonna dissipate and it's gonna make the LEDs last a lot longer, because these ones, and they already have LEDs before, and without heat dissipation the LEDs don't last. This new Lasfit, they have that dissipation, heat dissipation right here. You can see all the ventilation on them. Way better. When you have the lights off, it's only amber, and that's the halogen bulb. We just gotta get underneath and put that one too. So installation pretty much done. I just gotta put everything back on it. This is gonna be amazing. And also link is gonna be in the description for those LEDs if you want to replace them on your 4Runner. And there you have it, guys. What do you think about this installation? Is brighter with these LEDs. Now we have switchbacks. Everything is gonna look white when you drive, and it's gonna go amber when you use the turn signal. This is amber, nothing that we can do, but everything on the front now is white, and in my opinion I think it looks better. Now with the high beams, massive improvement. They look super bright and they look amazing. And make sure that when you put the cap, the ventilation is facing down so water doesn't go in. There you have it, guys. Link in the description for all these LEDs if you want to replace them on your 4Runner and look amazing like that. So I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Link in the description for these LEDs. Thanks.